Profit! And here is the profit right now. Let's go! Amazing, amazing. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Julia, a professional trader with over 3 years of experience in the financial market, specializing in short-term momentum setups and precision entries. I've helped thousands of traders learn how to trade systematically, without guessing, without emotions, and with full confidence in every move. So, if you're serious about improving your trading skills, make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and turn on the notifications, because here we focus on what really works. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to catch powerful trading reversals using MACD and moving average. But this time, with a twist, we will go step by step through real market examples. I'll explain you my thought process behind each entry and share key insights that can help you to spot high probability setups before anyone else. So, grab your notebook, stay focused, and let's jump straight into the charts, because smart trading starts with understanding the story behind every candle. On Euro GBP, there is a signal to open the trade down for 3 minutes, $1,000 down right now. Let's go. While I'm waiting for the result, let me explain you my strategy. This strategy I already explained in one of my previous videos. I'm using MACD and moving average. MACD with fast period 12, slow period 24, and signal period 9, and 2 exponential moving average with the period 100 and 200. Here on this currency pair, we have the downward trend. We can check it on 1 minute. As you can see, the price goes down. So when it's a downward trend, we're opening the trades only in the downward direction. This is the very important rule. And also MACD shows me the signals here. So basically, when moving averages on MACD are crossing in the overbought zone, they crossed almost on the zero actually, but just slightly above the zero line in overbought zone. So when the lines are crossing in the overbought zone, then we are selling it. And when the lines are crossing in the oversold zone, like for example here, we're opening the trade in the upward direction. But here on this currency pair, we have a downward trend. That's why, as you can see here, when the line crossed, the price didn't go up. So it doesn't work like that. Don't open the trades against the main trend. This is a very important rule. And also, yeah, my moving averages, they help me to identify the direction of the trend. When the moving average with the period 200 is above of the moving average with the period 100, that means that it's a downward trend and we need to open the trades only in downward direction. Basically, that's it. This strategy is perfect for 30 seconds and for 1 minute, the time of the chart. And we have only 9 seconds left, and the money will be in my wallet in 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Here we go. The first one, the first trade was super successful. On BHD, CNY, there is a signal to open the trade down for 3 minutes. I'm waiting for this candle to close, and I will enter. To tell the truth, this currency pair is a little bit lateral right now, but I believe it's gonna go a little bit down, and maybe then it will change the direction. Also, a very important thing, don't forget to check the economic calendar on investing.com to see when the important news are released. In 1 hour, there will be important news on American dollar, and also at 7 p.m. my time. So there will be a lot of volatility on the market, and you need to be very careful, because if you don't know how to trade with high volatility, you better not to trade. Stop trading like 30 minutes before the news are released, and continue trading 30 minutes after the news are released. Such a nervous moment. Maybe we needed just 1 more minute to be profitable, but there are still a couple of seconds and we can be profitable. Yep. Profit 920. Oh my god. And look, right now it started to go down. Oh my god. Oh, my hands are sweating. Meanwhile, on GBP USD just formed right now a very good signal to open the trade down, even though moving averages are showing to us that it's an upward trend. But no, 3 minutes down right now. Let's go. If you check this chart on 1 or 5 minutes, better on 5 minutes to tell the truth, here where I drew the lateral trend. Well, this currency pair was for a long time in the upward trend. Right now it's lateral, and probably a little bit later it will become whether again upward trend or downward trend. So right now it's lateral. I entered down 3 minutes, so we are waiting. Euro and New Zealand dollar is right on the support line that I found on 5 minutes chart. As you can see, here it was touching it, here it went up, touched up, here it broke the support level, and now it touches again. Maybe it will break it again, or maybe it will go up. Meanwhile, this one looks amazing. While we're waiting for the other signal, look at that. Boom! Profit is here. We're getting rich, very, very rich. I wouldn't be in a rush to enter in Euro and New Zealand dollar, because it can become a little bit lateral here and then it can go up, but seems like it's not going to be lateral. This candle was actually really good, but we will see. Let's wait just a little bit more here. Just like BNB is right on the support line, and it seems like it wanted to break it, but right now it starts going up, so maybe I will open the trade up here, because seems like our price didn't manage to break the support line. BNB finally managed to start going up. It doesn't have enough volatility to tell the truth, so I would open here maybe the trade not for 3 minutes, but like for 5 minutes in the upward direction. Let's go. GBP USD, right now it actually touched the support level. In general, this active is this currency pair is quite lateral, but very stable, doesn't have a lot of volatility, and for this currency pair it's actually very good. I don't like this candle right now. Let's wait a little bit more and maybe I'll enter here. Also, my eyes right now are on TONCOIN, because TONCOIN is touching right now the resistance level. Yeah, look here, quite strong. We will see. I want to open the trade in the downward direction on this, and look, it starts going down. Seems like soon we're going to enter. By the way, how is our... Oh, I just closed it. What? Euro and this one, right? There was something I think I wanted to open, no? Hello? Looks weird. something happened. Oh, it's still lateral, so we're gonna wait here more. Let's check the time here. The signal appeared in overbought zone, so at 15 minutes, and then it reached the bottom at 19 minutes. So basically 3-4 minutes, it's perfect for the TONCOIN. And I think after this candle, I will enter in the downward direction for, let's return back to 3 minutes, huh? Right now, let's go. This one looks amazing. Again, guys, we entered here when moving averages of MACD crossed in the oversold zone. We entered up in the upward direction according to the main trend that we checked on the other period of time, and here is the profit. Amazing, amazing. Euro and New Zealand dollar finally starts to break this laterality, this lateral trend that was here. And finally, we can enter also here. Let's enter here for 5 minutes because this active is very, very slow. So 5 minutes up, let's go. Meanwhile, TONCOIN, in the beginning, it didn't look really good and I started to regret that I put only 3 minutes. But as you can see, it went down and seems like soon I'm gonna get my next profit with $870. What an amazing result in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Easy. The market today is amazing. So look again, the moving averages crossed in the overbought zone. So this is the signal for me to sell it in the downward direction in the bear trend. You see we have a bear trend here. So just like that, GBP USD, look how beautifully it looks like. Lateral trend that, to tell the truth, I don't like, but it touched the support level and now again it's a little bit lateral, but I believe that soon it will go up. We just need maybe a little bit more and then we can enter. The signal from MACD we received here, but there is no a lot of volatility on the market, so we just wait. And basically that's it. Patience is everything. Don't be in the rush and don't enter right after you receive the signal from MACD and moving averages. Be patient, look at the chart, see where are the support and the resistance lines or levels, and then enter. GBP JPY just touch the support line on 5 minutes, in 1 minute, and on 30 seconds chart we already received this signal, but as you remember it can become a little bit slow and lateral here. It can touch the support line many times, so even though we already received here the signals from MACD, moving averages crossed in the oversold zone, we are still waiting patiently. Again, the last seconds of the trade, it's so close to the entrance point, but still profitable. Maybe it needed even more time, and to tell the truth here we can re-enter up because I believe that it will go more up because the resistance line is far away from here and we are in the process to reach the resistant level or the resistant lines. So basically I think I can enter for 5 minutes up. Let's go. Even though I didn't receive any signal from MACD, I would take a risk and enter in the upward direction. Whoa, 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 it flew to the moon. That was a very successful one. Just like that, in less than 1 hour, I made more than $6,000. Wow. Wow. This one was also profitable. Like, I love the days like that. My favorite, Euro and New Zealand dollar just touched the resistance level and now it goes down. And of course, I want to enter here. I'm just waiting for the confirmation from the candles, and then I can enter down for 5 minutes here. Like, you can see that the price was moving here like easily, but here next to the resistance level we see the remaining insecurity from the price, and maybe it's gonna break it right now like it happened here. In 5 minutes chart, we can see that there is another resistance level and our currency pair can actually go up like here or even here. And maybe I would love to open the trade even up. We are just waiting. Oh yeah, guys, it goes up and I'm going up also. Let's go. Oh no, now it goes down. It didn't manage to break the support level, unfortunately, but it's not gonna stop me to enter again in the downward direction with $2,500. Baby, go down, and boom, $4,800. I returned my money back from the previous not successful trade and I'm still profitable. Let's wrap up today's session, guys. We combined MACD and moving average, spotted key reversals, and learned how timing can make all the difference. That's how you turn strategy into a skill. If this video helped you to see the charts in a new way, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. We're just getting started. Trade with patience, follow your plan, and I'll see you in the next one.